Welcome to Car Show 1, the ultimate destination for car enthusiasts. If you love classic vehicles, new releases, and everything in between, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Car Show 1. Today, we're diving into a legendary SUV that still captures hearts more than 4 decades after it first hit the road. We're talking about the 1978 Ford Bronco, a vehicle that marked a turning point for Ford and set a new standard for rugged utility mixed with everyday drivability. The 1978 Ford Bronco was a major step forward from the earlier, smaller first-generation models. It was the beginning of the second generation, and with it came a complete redesign. Unlike the original compact Bronco that debuted in 1966, the 1978 model shared its platform with the Ford F-Series pickup trucks. That meant it had a larger body, a more powerful stance, and a lot more space inside, a direct answer to the growing popularity of full-size SUVs like the Chevrolet Blazer and Dodge Ramcharger. Under the hood, the 1978 Bronco didn't disappoint. It came standard with a 5.8-liter V8 engine, also known as the 351M. There was also an optional 6.6-liter V8 engine, the 400, which provided even more torque and power, especially useful for off-road driving and towing. These engines were paired with either a 3-speed automatic transmission or a 4-speed manual, giving drivers flexibility depending on how they intended to use the vehicle. One of the standout features of the 1978 Bronco was its removable fiberglass rear top. This allowed the vehicle to be converted into an open-air cruiser, perfect for summer road trips or beach outings. It gave the Bronco a fun, adventurous personality while maintaining its status as a workhorse. With 4-wheel drive and a solid axle setup, the Bronco was built to handle tough terrain. Whether it was snow, mud, or rocky trails, this SUV was more than capable. The design of the 1978 Bronco reflected the bold styling of the late 70s. It featured a wide front grille, dual headlights, and a strong, boxy shape that emphasized its durability. Inside, the cabin was more refined than you might expect for a rugged SUV. It offered bench seating, simple but functional controls, and enough space to fit a family or a group of friends comfortably. Options like air conditioning, cruise control, and an AM/FM stereo were also available, making the Bronco suitable for both work and leisure. Ford only produced the second-generation Bronco for 2 years, 1978 and 1979, which makes these models especially collectible today. Many fans consider the 1978 Bronco one of the best years for the vehicle, thanks to its powerful engine options, classic looks, and improved comfort compared to earlier models. Collectors and restorers love the 1978 Bronco because it blends old-school toughness with a touch of modern usability. These vehicles are often restored to showroom condition or modified for off-road competitions. Lift kits, oversized tires, custom bumpers, and updated interiors are common upgrades, but many enthusiasts also appreciate keeping the Bronco as close to original as possible. On the road, the 1978 Bronco still turns heads. Its large body, distinctive front end, and classic two-tone paint jobs make it instantly recognizable. Whether you're pulling into a car show or cruising through town, it's the kind of vehicle that draws attention and sparks conversation. If you're lucky enough to find a 1978 Ford Bronco in good condition, you'll quickly realize why it remains so loved. It represents a time when SUVs were built to last, and they didn't have to sacrifice toughness for style. Everything about this vehicle speaks to an era of raw American engineering. It's no surprise that the Bronco name was brought back in recent years. The legend never really died. In fact, the release of the new generation Ford Bronco has reignited interest in the classics, with the 1978 model gaining even more popularity among collectors and younger fans discovering it for the first time. There's a timeless appeal to this SUV that goes beyond nostalgia. It's about the experience, the feel of the road, the roar of the V8, the wind rushing in through the open rear, and the confidence that it can handle anything you throw its way. That's the magic of the 1978 Ford Bronco. It's not just a vehicle, it's a piece of history. Whether you're restoring one, dreaming of owning one, or just appreciate classic cars, the Bronco reminds us of a golden age of American automotive design. Thanks for watching Car Show 1. If you enjoyed this video and want more classic car features, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Keep riding, keep exploring, and never stop loving cars.